Ansible works against multiple managed hosts in your infrastructure at the same time. Using a list or group of lists is known as the inventory. Once an inventory is defined, you use patterns to select the hosts or groups you want to run against to Ansible. The default location for inventory is a file called, etc. Ansible hosts. You can also specify a different inventory file at the command line using the i<path greater than option. You can pull the inventory file from dynamic or cloud sources or different formats, YAML, INI. Ansible has inventory plugins to make it flexible and customize. Ansible default inventory. Ansible default inventory should live in, etc. Ansible hosts. Called host file. We can set it with any name. Inventory file writing rules. Comments begin with the character. Blank lines are ignored. Groups of hosts are delimited by header elements. You can enter hostnames or IP addresses. A hostname, IP, can be a member of multiple groups.